everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. So today I was playing with some papers and I wanted to make a card, and then I wanted to have a banner, and I realized I didn't have any dies or any stamps to make a banner. So I thought, I'm gonna make one, and then I thought, well, I might share this with you because you're maybe in the same case. You don't have any stamps or dies to make banners, and it's so easy to do by yourself. So this is gonna be hopefully a quick video for you. But you can make this for any kind of stamps. The longer it's sometimes the better if you want to put it in shape like this. But you'll see it's very easy. And it's not specifically for Father's Day. I just wanted to make it a try with the stamp I had. So what you will need for this is paper. Any kind of paper, of course, will work. And I'm going to use some ink and dies. Not dies, stamps. So the first one, we're going to make it easy, and I'm going to have here a, I think it's just because. So the first thing you do, and I prefer to do it this way, which means stamping first and cutting after. So I'm just going to stamp this here, and I'm going to leave some room specifically on the sides here. I'm not going to put my stamp directly on the side. So I'm going to put it somewhere here, and you could use your craft pieces if you wanted to. And now what you're going to do is you're going to use your scissors. You're going to trim under and over your card here, so you can leave the space as you wish around your stamp. I'm going to just cut it around here and leave myself some space on the sides. And you could use a trimmer if you want to. You might be straighter with a trimmer paper cutter, because I don't usually cut very well with scissors. It's just for the purpose of the video. So, and it doesn't have to be perfect because it's handmade anyway. So now you're at this stage. What you can do, and I think I'm going to make it a little smaller here. I think it's a bit too wide. I think I like it this way better, and I know it's not completely straight, but you'll see. So if you want to make a very simple banner, the only thing I do here, and I like to start from the center, is to make some two pointy things here like a flag. And if you want to go deeper, you can go deeper. And then the very simple way to do it, because it's going to be three-dimensional, you can keep it like this, but you know how to do that. You don't need a video. But if you want something 3D, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down here, fold my paper, and back up. And you can make this as wide as you wish. If you don't have a lot of space here, you can make this much smaller, and I'll show you this in a minute. And I'm going to do about the same thing on the other side. Very easy. You just pinch this between your two fingers and you're good to go. Then the only thing you need to do here is put a little bit of glue and stick it down to your card. So this one is very simple, and the others are going to be exactly on the same way to do it. But I'm going to show you how you can make this one also 3D, but within a shape. So what I have here, and I think it's easier if you have a longer stamp like I have here. It's just a father one, Happy Father's Day, but it works better if it's a little longer because you have more wiggle room with this. So what I'm going to do in a very simple way is put my stamp, which comes normally straight. It's normally completely straight, but I'm just going to be able here to put it in a shape like you know, semi-oval. I'm going to use my paper again. I'm going to stamp it, ink it first. And take your time putting it well. And I'm going to do the same thing. Oops, I think I moved my stamp. Okay, that's good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around here my sentiment. So again, you can make it as wide or as not wide as you wish. I don't know how I'm supposed to say this in English. And again, take your time doing this. And I'm going to go back here. Wide or thin? That's probably proper English saying that. All right. Now what you're going to do is do the same thing as we did before. We're going to make some slits here on the sides. And then we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make it, you know, a little less wide than I did here because I don't have that much space. So I'm going to go close here and then fold back. But this time it's much smaller than this one, as you can see. It doesn't have to be thick. I'm going to do the same thing here. Pinch and move back up. There you go. And now you've got your 3D banner. Again, put some glue here, stick it down, and you've got this shape. And you can always come back if you don't like the way you cut it. But I think it's really nice because you can have some three-dimensional banners with nothing, no tools. You don't have to even have a special die or stamp for this. And of course, if you want, you could also ink this up. I would probably ink it up before folding it. I think it's easier. But you can totally do that. And take your time doing this. I think my scissors don't cut very well. I should try to change my scissors, I think. But you get the gist. And again, you can make them very thin. This one was really large, but I've got another one here, a little thinner. And I've got this one as well. So really, all the shapes you can do with this, very thin, very large, as long as you wish. So that was a very easy and quick way to make some banners, because you might need them anytime for your cards, and no special tools needed. So there you go. Please, if you like this video, give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell button to get all the notifications, and also share on social medias. Thank you very much and take care. Bye-bye.